When I start taking a roll of dice, see how many times we hit this randomizer. We're going to go 7 times. 1 and 6. Two-box divisional. All right. We got Chi-Town, Chirpy, Chi-Town, Hawkson to win, Ugly Nougat, and Chi-Town 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chi-Town on the top, Chi-Town at the bottom. And Chi-Town in the middle. Okay, let's grab the divisions. AL Central, AL East, West, NL Central, East, West. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. NL Central on the top, AL West at the bottom. All right, let's see who you guys got. Oops. Come on. Oh, it's already sorted out. Chi-Town, AL Central, Chirpy, AL East, Chi-Town, AL West, Ugly Nougat, NL Central, Chi-Town, NL East, Hawkson to win, NL West. Damn, Darren, NL Central again? Ugh. Sorry. Oh. There you go. Good luck. Everything ships out of this, so you get all your base. Good luck. Base. Blue, Chris Bryant for the NL Central. With 7 of 199. Mitch Hediger for the AL East. I mean West, sorry. AL West. 151 of 199. AL West. Chi-Town 101. And warming in the pan for the NL West. Mackenzie Gore in the Padres. That is Hawks in to win. Andrew. You also had NL Central, Christian Yelich. Brilliance. Brad Keller for the Royals. AL Central, Nolan Arenado, NL West. Red for the Angels, Illumination, Ohtani. Uh, 31 of 149. Blue, Bo Bichette for the AL East. That is Chirpy and the AL East. 162 of 199. That's the first Bichette colored. We got base, base, blue, Jonathan Hernandez for the AL West and the Rangers. 62 of 199. Red for the Reds, NL Central, Aristides Aquino. 88 of 99. We got one of these copper ones. Oof. Good luck. Green for the Yankees, James Paxton. Is AL East. 88 of 125. NL West, Kershaw. Mauricio Dubon for the NL West and the Giants. 21 of 199. And Josh Hader for the NL Central. $24 of $199. Nick Ahmed for the NL West. Diamondbacks. That's number to 15. No, 25 of 25. On base. And last one. Red. Eduardo Rodriguez for the AL East. 28 of 99. Our autograph behind Chris Bryant is Jake Fraley for the AL West. $15 of 25. West, that is Chi-Town 101. All right, next up, box 2. Steven Strasburg for the NL East. Chi-Town 101. 3 of 99. Max Scherzer for the NL West. I mean East. Sorry, East. 9 of 25. Jacob DeGrom for the NL East. Moncada for the AL Central. Scott Kingery for the NL East. The Phillies. 133 of 199. Trevor Story for the NL West. Rockies. 187 of 199. On base. Marcus Semien for the Athletics. AL West. And Ketel Marte for the NL West. Diamondbacks. 31 of 199. Red again. Chris Bryant for the NL Central. The elimination insert. 57 of 149. Andres Munoz for the NL West. And AL Central, Nelson Cruz. AL West, Altuve. Red. AL West, Mike Fiers. 104 of 149. Blue. Michael King for the Yankees, AL East. 74 of 199. All base. Because it's all about the base. Oh, we got blue. No trouble. It's all about the base. All the base. Juan Soto for the NL East. 157 of 199. Red. Freddie Freeman for the NL East. Seven of 99. Last pack. One more. Green. Robbie Ray for the NL West. 21 of 125. NL East, Bryce Harper. All right, here we go. It is for the NL Central. Nico Horner. Blue donut balls. Holes. Balls? Oh, does he? Damn. 46 of 50. Nice one. 5'11", 200. Good lord. Good stuff. Nice little 2 boxes. Again, stuff has been good. So we have Nico Horner, Robbie Ray, Freddie Freeman, Juan Soto, Michael King, Mike Fires, Andres Munoz, Chris Bryant, Ketel Marte, Trevor Story, Scott Kingery, Max Scherzer, Steven Strasburg, Jake Fraley, Eduardo Rodriguez, Nick Ahmed, Josh Hader, Mauricio Dubon, Jace Paxton, Aristides Aquino, Jonathan Hernandez, Bo Bichette, Otani, Mackenzie Gore, Mitch Haniger, and Chris Bryant. Nice. Lifesavers prisons. Thank you again, everybody. That was fun stuff. I like that stuff.